In this video, I'll show you how to set up Klaviyo for Shopify email. First, log into your Klaviyo account and go to the Integrations section. Select Shopify and start the connection process. Next, enter your Shopify store information and authorize the connection. Once connected, Klaviyo will begin syncing your customers, orders, and product data automatically. After that, wait for the initial sync to finish. Depending on the size of your store, this may take a few minutes. Now go to the email section and create your sender profile. Add your business name, sender email address, and any required company information. Next, create your first email campaign or choose a pre-built template. Customize the content with your logo, brand colors, images, and message. After that, set up basic automated flows such as a welcome email, abandoned cart reminder, or post-purchase follow-up. These automations help you stay connected with customers without sending emails manually. Now preview your emails and send a test message to yourself to make sure everything looks correct. Finally, activate your campaign or automation and start growing your email marketing through your Shopify store. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up Klaviyo for Shopify email. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.